Now you see what I don't like here. I don't freaking like, this is a floor before I switched to vinyl. Now we only use vinyl. Only use vinyl. We didn't see any walkthrough, but if you look right here, stay where you are. If you look right here, see that? Somebody did a hard wet mop on that and left water sitting right there.
Oh yeah.
And it's over here too. I cannot see it from right here, but I could see it from that sink.
No, I see it from here.
And but it's important because when you're renting a property, people don't think about that. They do not think about it. They ain't the one that's got to pay to fix it. Now, had we have noticed it when they moved out, they would have paid to fix it. I'd have billed them for it. I'm sure nobody's noticed it. We didn't bill for it, or it would have been fixed already. But that's just what it is. But I need to make that thing because I got to note that in the computer so that the next person that moves in here, that is noted that there is damage to that floor there.
Already.
We will take pictures of that now, and I will forward it to my staff so my staff can look at it and they know that that is a problematic thing right there.
How much could that?
I don't even know that I can get it in. It don't even show up on my picture, does it?
Look at that picture. Those two lines are pretty visible.
And there was a little bubble. See that little? Now this is just a little bubble right here. See this little bubble?
Oh, yep.
I mean, it's hard to see. It's hard to see.